हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABC सॉन्ग। A for apple. Apple means sit. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C for cow. Cow means गाय. D for doll. Doll means गुड़िया. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for frog. Frog means मेंढक. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for juice. Juice means juice. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for owl. Owl means उल्लू. P for peacock. Peacock means मोर. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for tiger. Tiger means शेर. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छतरी. V for van. Van means van. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means yo-yo. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.